you all and welcome back to another video. My name is Vidhi and in today's video, actually I wanted to take you guys along with me as I create few of the pieces in my current painting series. Like I am doing a series which is a big commitment for me, but yeah, I did that and I am on day 4 and today's day 5. So yeah, I am on the 5th day and initially it was going to be a 12-day series, but now it is 16 days. So join me along as I create a few of the pieces in this series. So let's get started. So first of all, let me show you guys how much I have worked on it and like the pieces which I have created so far. And so this was number 1 piece of the series, and then we have the second number, which is which one? Yeah, so this was number 2 piece. On to number 3, and these all took me around like at the top 2 hours to finish. I think maybe once it dries, I'll work on one more touch I'll do to this because I can see like a little bit of paper still. So मैं वापस उस पे काम करूँगी. But एक बार के लिए I think it is fine because कैसा होता है, if we use linseed oil or anything, then once the paint dries, उसके it shows थोड़ा difference आ जाता है painting में. So because of that, मुझे एक और बार इस पे काम करना पड़ेगा. So I'll do that, and yeah, this is the number 4. So 4 हुई है, and today I worked on the number 5. I have also recorded that, so I'll add that section in the video. And this painting ka I have recorded the sessions. I'll add it in the video. So this is the final piece. And if you want to see how this was created, please keep watching and comment down your thoughts, like which one is your favorite up till now. So this is actually the book that inspired me to create these pieces. It's called the Impressionism. Recently, I have been so much into books. So yeah, this book has shown the pieces of great artists. इस book के अंदर ऐसे description भी लिखा हुआ है about the painting, and nice book. मतलब basically what Impressionism is, very informative, and yeah, this inspired me to create these pieces because like I have always been painting traditional oil painting, ऐसे एकदम realistic भी नहीं and not abstract, something in the middle. So this is something which I am drawn towards, तो मेरे को ये try करना था, and I think if I create 16 of these paintings, so it is gonna help me like know my art style and all. I'm going to move to number 6. For my inspiration, I'm going through Pinterest only. Pinterest say I'll find something nice and I'll paint it. When I'm painting, I am actually listening to audiobooks. So currently I am listening to this audiobook, Dharam Yodha Kalki. This is actually the book number 1 of a 3 book trilogy. So this is I am currently reading this actually. So this is the final look of this painting and मैंने इसके अंदर इधर and इधर ऐसे shadow add करा है. Yeah, that's the painting for today. So it's almost the end of the day and I have created the painting. So this is the final piece and I hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for joining me along as I created these two pieces. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any thoughts on the painting, I would love to hear them in the comment section below. If you want to support me, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!